Alright guys, got my little barefoot helper out here. See if these Amazon teeth will fit this bucket. Pretty good.
This one?
That one? Oh, you gonna give me some? Thank you. There you go. What a helper. Definitely not the right way. Oh, thank you. I need one more. Don't drop it. Hurt your toes. Good job. There we go. Tap, tap. Turn on. There you go. Let's see. There we go. Does it matter? Think it matters?
Yeah, maybe.
Let's put it on backwards. Yep. We'll pull it back out. Not low enough. Try it. Looks like a screw, don't it? Need one more. Can you give me one out of the bag?
Let's go.
That one fits better. Here, put it in there. Good job. All right. Good job. Alrighty. Good job. Well, should have this tooth coming in, but it'll be a couple weeks out, or it'll be into next week before this tooth gets here. So you have to run with 3. All right, let's see if we can straighten this ear out. I found a dummy pin I got around here that I think will work if I can get this ear straightened. That's actually a lot better. Pen. There are days I think I would lose my head if it wasn't attached. Bit of a burr from hammering. Alright, we have smashed it pretty well flat again. I'll hammer a couple more times out here. Alright, I'll take this reamer I've got and try to smooth her up a little bit. Be tough not to take too much of a bite. And these reamers are sharp on both sides. See the little cut in both directions. Not quite. Got a driver for this thing. Get some penetrating oil. Inch-and-a-half pin. Looks good. Alright guys, got the pin, got the ears straightened out pretty well. They're not perfect, but so they broke this back bar off. I don't know how, but I've got this piece of bar stock laying around. It was a lot longer. I put it in the little chop saw. I got a bunch of spare bar stock and steel over there. That's where I got the pin from. And I got the bandsaw sitting right here. So I just chopped it down. Put that down before it falls on one of the kids in here messing around. So I just cut it to length, and it's a pretty good fit right there. A little bit of gap to weld up there, but not the end of the world. So let's get her in here and get her welded. Much better fit. All right, pour some wire. So, all right, as I weld this, it actually should crown up because this weld here is going to start pulling. There'll be a lot of tension right here. Should crown this thing up. I've got it against the clamp, trying to drive this into the bucket. Still thinking about shimming it slightly though. So I'm gonna shim it with just a paper towel for right now. It'll burn out. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld it out and bring you back. All right, guys, there's what she looks like. Pretty good weld. That one I tried to touch up the end there and it got a little holy for some reason. I don't think I got all the slag cleaned off that before I restruck an arc, so that'll happen too. So I'll probably uncouple this bucket and try to clean up around the top because the top's going to see the most load. That's where it's going to be prone to crack and open back up. So might uncouple it, tilt the bucket backwards, and try to weld these top corners a little better. All right, guys, it's a wrap on the old Bobcat bucket. I did end up, let's see, there it is. I did end up wrapping the corner there a little bit on both sides. just to make sure it was gonna hold. And I think, yeah, if you look down in there, you can even see that on both sides that we got penetration all the way through the thickness of that plate. So those welds shouldn't have any trouble holding. It uncoupled easily once I got the pin out and got the load off the pin. So all in all, another fix down. I was just about to close up shop and figured you guys might want to see what I welded this. This is a Hobart Handler 180. I think I was right about there. Around 30 on the wire feed, 4 on the voltage. I did almost all of it with those settings. These last little tie-ins, I dropped it down to 3 and then closer to 20. That's where I finished it off. So those are the settings of the welder.